Do you know that your clients are ignorant of you? They don't even know that you exist. If your business struggle with no flow of cash, or maybe there is no money, it simply means you are not advertising enough. You are not promoting what you are doing enough. Most people are not aware of what you do. And what you can do for your business is to start promoting now. The only money you spend on your business that can give you return on expenses or return on investment is marketing. Marketing is never too much, except if it will not be enough. So what are you doing today to ensure that you market? If you are not doing anything, please find something to do about it and market your business.